Predictive analytics in logistics. Forecasting demand. Shifts before they hit. Global supply chains are no longer disrupted by chance. They're disrupted by patterns we fail to see early. In this video, you'll discover how predictive analytics helps logistics leaders forecast demand shifts in advance, act decisively, and build resilient, future-ready supply chains for 2026 and beyond. The looming supply chain crisis. Are you ready? Recent years have exposed serious weaknesses in global supply chains. Port congestion after the post-2020 surge caused weeks of delays, while sudden shortages of semiconductors and critical materials brought production lines to a halt. At the same time, geopolitical tensions and conflicts continue to disrupt trade routes without warning. These disruptions show how quickly stable operations can collapse if organizations are not prepared in advance. Financial and reputational toll. Supply chain disruptions don't just impact inventory, they directly damage profits and brand trust. A single disruption can cost millions in lost sales, emergency freight, and supplier surcharges. Expedited shipping erodes margins overnight, while repeated stockouts push customers toward competitors. Beyond immediate losses, companies face contract penalties, SLA breaches, and long-term reputational damage that is far harder to recover from. What if you could see disruptions before they hit? Now imagine a different scenario, where you see disruptions forming days or even weeks in advance. Instead of reacting to delays, you reroute shipments early, move inventory closer to demand hotspots, and prepare your workforce for upcoming volume spikes. This kind of foresight transforms supply chain disruptions from costly crises into manageable, strategic opportunities. Beyond crystal balls, predictive analytics. Predictive analytics moves supply chains beyond reactive firefighting into proactive intelligence. Instead of asking what already happened, it focuses on what is likely to happen next. By combining historical sales data with real-time signals like weather, economic trends, and customer behavior, advanced algorithms continuously learn and adapt, helping organizations anticipate disruptions and demand shifts before they impact operations. Traditional forecasting versus predictive analytics. Traditional forecasting relies on static models, limited data, and periodic updates, making it slow to respond to sudden market changes. Predictive analytics goes further by continuously learning from multiple data sources in real time. It adapts automatically as conditions change, combining external signals with internal data to deliver faster, more accurate, and more actionable forecasts. Decoding the future. How AI spots the signals. AI-driven predictive systems continuously monitor a wide range of data streams to detect early warning signals. These include real-time news, social media sentiment, economic indicators, supplier performance metrics, weather forecasts, and logistics tracking data. By identifying subtle patterns and correlations across these sources, AI uncovers risks and demand shifts that human analysis would likely miss. From signals to actions. Predictive insights only create value when they drive action. Once risks or demand shifts are identified, organizations can pre-position inventory closer to expected demand, dynamically adjust transportation routes, and plan workforce capacity in advance. Teams can also activate backup suppliers before disruptions escalate. These actions reduce delays, control costs, and protect service levels. Real world wins. Organizations that adopt predictive analytics are already seeing measurable results. Retailers have reduced stockouts by anticipating port disruptions weeks in advance. Manufacturers have cut expedited freight costs by proactively rerouting shipments. Logistics providers have improved on time delivery and customer satisfaction through predictive capacity planning, proving that foresight delivers real operational and financial value. Your next move: implementation roadmap. Implementing predictive analytics doesn't require a full system overhaul. Start by identifying high impact use cases such as critical suppliers or top selling SKUs. Next, consolidate and clean your data sources. Then launch pilot models to test accuracy and value. Finally, embed insights into daily workflows so teams can act quickly and confidently. Overcoming implementation challenges. Adopting predictive analytics comes with challenges, but they are manageable. Data quality issues can be solved through validation and governance. Integration complexity is reduced by using modern APIs and phased rollouts. Talent gaps can be addressed by upskilling teams and partnering with experts. Progress matters more than perfection. Continuous improvement delivers long term success. Why now? 2026 and beyond, the supply chain landscape is becoming more volatile than ever. Geopolitical tensions, climate related disruptions, and shifting customer expectations make uncertainty the new normal. At the same time, customers demand faster and more reliable delivery. Organizations that adopt predictive analytics now will gain lasting cost and service advantages, while those that delay risk falling permanently behind.